What if I told you there is a free AI tool by Google that can turn any document into full podcast, study guide, or viral content in seconds? This tool is called NotebookLM, and it's literally breaking the internet right now. Let me show you exactly how to use it to stay on trend. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are here, make sure to hit the subscribe button because today's video is going to change the way you create content. NotebookLM is Google AI powered research assistant, and creators, marketers, and students are going crazy over here. Why and how can you use it? Be a part of the trend. So first, what exactly is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a free tool made by Google. Lets you upload documents, PDFs, Google Docs, websites, YouTube videos, even audio file, and it uses AI to summarize everything instantly, answer questions about your content, generate a study guide, and the big one, create AI generated podcast with 2 realistic AI hosts. Yes, you heard that right. It creates a full podcast discussion from your documents, and that features is what make it go viral. Alright, let me walk you through it step by step. Open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. It's completely free. Click on New Notebook. Think of this as your project folder. Give it name. I will call mine Trending Content Idea. Now, here is where the magic happens. Click Add a source and you can upload PDFs, Google Docs, websites URL, YouTube video links, copy and paste text. You can add up to 50 sources per notebook. I'm going to paste a link at trending articles and upload a PDF report. Once your sources are uploaded, NotebookLM automatically reads and understands everything. You will see a summary appear right away. Now, let me show you the feature that are making everyone obsessed. This is the feature everyone is talking about. Click on Audio Overview and then Generate. NotebookLM will create a full podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts who discuss your upload content. They joke, they explain, they go deep. It sounds incredibly real. Turn your blog post into podcasts. Make study material easy to listen to. Create a unique audio content for social media. Pro tip, before you generate, you can customize it. Click the pencil icon and tell it focus on specific topics. Adjust the tone or target specific audio. You can literally ask questions and NotebookLM answer based only your upload sources and no random info. And every answer comes with quotes. It shows you exactly where the information came from. Click and it highlights the source. Click on the notebook guide and it can instantly generate study guide, timelines, briefly documents. Content creators, this is gold is for your content. So how do you use NotebookLM actually trend? Upload a trending topic article, generate the audio overview, screen record it, and post the clip on TikTok Reel or Shorts with a caption like, I made AI discuss and this is what happened. This clip are going viral right now. People are fascinated by how real the AI hosts sound.
If you want to know what humanity is actually thinking, don't look at our history books or the highly curated photos we post online.
Right. Look at what 3 billion people are clicking on when they think no one is